of mucking up. And what we wanted to do here was eliminate that fear and just really celebrate the doing. So in our past campaigns, we did a great job of showing the before, the really rusty, nasty looking thing, and the after is so beautiful and on trend and colorful. But we didn't celebrate the experience. So, you know, this audience is great at looking for things and researching on Pinterest and seeing things on Instagram. So they're always open to these experiences, but we really want them to feel comfortable doing it and set them up for success. So we developed a campaign called Pride in the Making that takes FOMO to spray confidence. And then once they try it, they're hooked, right? And they'll be our customer forever. So even though Kate doesn't have any time, she might have an event. So this is all behaviors, right? You have a new home, or you have a backyard party or graduation party, and all of a sudden you haven't done anything for 7 years in your backyard, and you're like, oh my gosh, I totally need to repaint everything and redo my, stain my fence and paint my patio furniture. But if they know our brand and they're comfortable with our brand, then they'll